Hi guys, the starting level in Candy Crush Jelly is 3372. And that's a green jelly level with butterscotch, a giant pile of fish, and icing and cotton candy and ties. I think that is everything. We just got back from my grandparents, we did church, and now I'm going to go on my computer. I did watch the TMK live stream, and I'm excited for the up event. The bird, Kevin, is the premium character, which means I most likely won't get her, but we'll see. I don't have as many diamonds as I want. But it's easier to get diamonds now, which is extremely amazing, and I enjoy getting more diamonds. I have 24 hours unlimited lives in Candy Crush Jelly. Apparently it's National Cat Day. I don't know how that affects Candy Crush Jelly, but I will take it. Welcome to the vlog. And that's all, folks. Hi guys, so it's a gorgeous day, 85 degrees. And I'm wearing what looks like a sweatshirt, but it's not a sweatshirt. I would classify this to be a long sleeve t-shirt. I got it thinking it would be extremely thick and warm. But it's not warm, so yeah, anyway, I have hearing loss pretty severe. I don't think I have talked about it on this particular channel. I had done videos about it on my Kendall 36 channel years ago. I hide it pretty well for how bad it really is. So my right ear, it's pretty much 96% deaf. If you whisper in my right ear, I cannot hear words. It sounds like you are saying bubblerish, and then my left ear is like, I don't even know, but it's like 50-ish deaf. So my hearing loss is pretty horrible. I tried wearing hearing aids throughout my childhood, and the last time I tried wearing my hearing aids, I broke my back. It wasn't comfortable to lay down and chill, so I stopped using my hearing aids. Well, after I got back to normal, I tried wearing my hearing aids. And I couldn't get back into them consistently, so I don't wear them. And I actually think I do a pretty decent job of hiding the fact that I cannot hear. In fact, people who I do tell think I'm joking. Like, they say, there is literally no way you have hearing loss. I'm like, Seriously though, I have horrible hearing. I just have adapted to it over time. Do I need my hearing aids? Probably. Do I ever plan on wearing them until I'm 90? I doubt it. They literally make my ears sweat and then they itch and I get annoyed because my ears itch. So yeah. Plus my ear molds are probably too old, and they have pretty 10-year-old earwax, and they still take batteries. I have really old hearing aids because my grandfather's hearing aids charge, and when my hearing aids die, it just feels like I'm wearing an earbud. It actually makes me go crazy. So yeah. Now I'm going to go do something. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. One positive thing about having a wheelchair that tilts is you can get your bottom back all the way. I have had 3 wheelchairs that could tilt, including this wheelchair. So the 2 prior wheelchairs and this wheelchair. And it's a must-have for me in a wheelchair. When I eat, I need to tip back. It just works better. I didn't tilt back in school because it was weird and I didn't want to, so I didn't. But as I have gotten older, I realized, hey, my food goes down better if I'm tilted a little. Maybe I should tilt when I eat. And I never stopped. So yeah. I have no idea what I'm vlogging tomorrow. Hopefully we can vlog some animals. Laugh out loud, but I'm going to go do something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. Obviously we went to the zoo yesterday. My favorite animal was the elephant, so I only vlogged the elephant. That, and I don't love asking people to vlog all day. We vlogged all day at the zoo multiple times, and now I like taking a small amount of videos from experiences. If we go somewhere new, maybe we vlog the entire experience. But as far as the zoo, I'm going to vlog a little bit. So I'm having problems with my wheelchair batteries. It does fluctuate a little bit each time I turn it off and on. The sleep mode drains the battery, so I don't even use sleep on purpose. I mainly use standby, which allows me to put my head in the head array when I'm not driving. Standby and sleep do the same thing, except one doesn't drain the battery and the other one does. I'm not sure if I could get away with just having standby. It's really annoying to have to be extremely careful with sleep mode. The way I get it to sleep mode is I hold my button down, and it happens accidentally all the time. People who don't know will touch the button and put it in sleep, and I immediately start saying, no, 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 and I push my button to get it out of sleep and back into standby. Fortunately, I have to push the button twice to get it out of standby. This wheelchair is really complicated, and if you don't know it, you would think it's broken, but it's not. I don't know how I figured it out, to be quite honest. I had to really pay attention to detail for a few weeks to learn how modes worked on this wheelchair, because it's definitely not simple. I am going to go do something. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. The ending level in Candy Crush Jelly is 3384. That's a red jelly level with cotton candy, eating flowers, and gum. I haven't played it. Today was my potential last day at the park program for the park program. I say potential because I don't know if I'm going to stay back a day when we go camping. I would hate knowing that I'm leaving my aunt without any help down there. This year has been extremely short-staffed the entire time. I don't want to add to it. But she's fine with me leaving. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to end the vlog. Thumbs up and subscribe and check out my Instagram. And that's all, folks.